Hi, in last class already we discussed about a VA kinetics and two transistor analysis of an SCR. In this session, we will discuss about gate characteristics and ratings of SCR by applying gate pulse, how the anode current, cathode current will change. Already we discussed. Okay, so initially, when the gate pulse is not applied or when the gate switch is in open position, so that is forward blocking mode. This region, forward blocking mode, only internal carriers will flow from anode to cathode. So during this condition, junction J1 and J3 will be in forward bias and J2 will be in reverse bias. Okay, so this is the two transistor model. So we have two transistor. Basically, SCR is a four layer PN four layer three junction J1, J2 and this one J3. It is a four layer three junction three terminal device. So we have three terminals: anode, cathode and gate. So collector current of first transistor uh, is nothing but base current of second transistor. And similarly, base current of first transistor is the collector current of second transistor. So already we derived the equation for anode current. Anode current equation derived in terms of gate current, leakage current. Okay, so what are the ratings of SCR? Anode voltage rating, peak working forward blocking voltage, peak repetitive forward blocking voltage, latching current, holding current, dv by dt rating, di by dt rating, I square R rating. These are the important ratings or important parameters of an SCR, and these can be specified in datasheet at the time of manufacturing. So why we need to go for these ratings? How can we analyze? So anode voltage rating is nothing but when the gate switch is open position, that is the forward blocking mode, only a small amount of leakage current flow. During this condition, junction J1 and J3 are in forward bias and J2 is in reverse bias. So from point O to M, this is the anode blocking voltage rating. Okay. Next, peak working forward blocking voltage and peak repetitive forward blocking voltage. How can we analyze? So these are during forward blocking mode only, but the device should be in safe mode to bear the maximum voltage without getting any damage, and the device should be getting to the turn on position very quickly. If the turn on time is more, nothing but the device will be in off position more time, that may cause to increase the losses. So to better operating conditions, the device should be quickly turned into the on position and quickly turned into the off position, so that we will get more power output and efficiency will be high. Next, latching current. So latching current is nothing but it is the minimum current required to turn on the SCR into the on position. What is the holding current? Holding current is associated with the turn off process. Nothing but the device should be maintained in the on position by, if the anode current falls below the holding current, then the device triggered into the off position. So what is the minimum current of latching current, what is the holding current, already we discussed. Okay, latching current always greater than the holding current. Next, other three parameters, very very important parameters, are dv by dt rating and di by dt rating, I square rating. dv by dt rating and di by dt rating are mainly associated with the protection of SCR, associated with the protection of SCR. So dv by dt rating, to protect the SCR from the dv by dt rating, we use snubber circuit. Snubber circuit is nothing but a resistor is connected in series with the capacitor, and these combinations are connected across the SCR. So why we need to go for dv by dt rating or snubber circuit? Because dv by dt rating and di by dt rating associated with the turn on of SCR due to malfunction or temperature conditions, due to protect the SCR from unwanted turn on and turn off conditions. So initially, if the anode to cathode current flows, but during this condition the SR should be in the open position. If any malfunction, any disturbance, if the current rises, that current should be limited by the resistor. And if any current flows through the circuit, that is that can be used to charge the SCR. When the capacitor, sorry, charged by the capacitor, when the capacitor gets fully charged, then the SCR triggered into the on position. When the SCR gets into the on position, then the capacitor starts discharging through the resistor. So RC snubber circuit protects the SCR from the unwanted turn on of SCR. Next, di by dt rating. If the change in anode current is greater than the charge carriers, spreading of charge carriers. Okay, di is the rate of change of current, dt is the change in time. If the rate of change of anode current with respect to the time is very high than the spreading of charge carriers, that may cause to damage the SCR. So to protect the SCR from di by dt rating, or to minimize the rate of change of current, so rise in anode current, inductor, an inductor is connected in series with the SCR, nothing but in this position. So it will limit the change in anode current. Okay. Di by dt rating and dv by dt rating mainly used to protect the SCR from unwanted turn on, and to protect the SCR from overheating, or to get protects the SCR from unwanted turn on, and to protect the SCR from overrating of voltage and currents. Next, gate characteristics of SCR. What are the gate characteristics of SCR? So based on the gate pulse, SCR triggered into the on position. Okay. So what are the gate characteristics? So these are the gate characteristics. In x-axis, gate current is given, and in y-axis, gate voltage is mentioned. Okay. So Ig minimum is the minimum gate current, Ig maximum is the maximum gate current, Vg minimum is the minimum gate voltage, Vg maximum is the maximum gate voltage. These parameters and specifications will be given by the manufacturer at the time of manufacturing process or designing of SCR. Okay, here we have three curves: curve 1, 2, and 3. So curve 1 indicates the, so curve 1 near to the x-axis, and current is high, voltage is low. So curve 1 indicates the low voltage values, and curve 2 indicates the high voltage of high value of voltage. సో లో వోల్టేజ్ దగ్గర ఆపరేట్